And hey, what's going on, guys? Today I could just show you how to make my 6th Lego puzzle box. And yeah, let's go. Bang. So first off, you need a 6x6 base plate. There. Get ready for it. Then take a 1x4 tile, put it there. Then 2x2, take a 1x2 smooth piece, put it there, or tile. Then take a 1x3 smooth piece, put it there, and a 1x2 smooth piece, put it there. Now take a 2x2 bricks, put it here, there. And take a 2x2 smooth piece with a 2x2 plate under it. Here, a 2x2 plate and a 1x2 smooth piece. Put it on top of each other like that. Then put it there. And now take a 1x2 smooth piece. Put it there. There. Now take a 1x4 couch piece, looks like this. Then put it there. Just like that. Then take a 2x2 brick, put it there. There. And then take a 1x2 smooth piece with a 1x2 plate under it, just like this piece. There, and put it there. There. Now take a 1x2 smooth piece, put it here. There, just like that. And now to make the key here, the sliding key, it's just sliding, so take this 1x6 plate, put it there. And take a 1x1 plate, put it here. I'm going to make 2 of the key. Yeah, 2 key. There. Put it there. And now take this 1x1 plate. This. Put it here. Here. Put it there. And then take a 1x2 plate, put it here, and a 1x3 plate with a 1x1 plate under it here, and then put it right there, just like that. And then take a 1x2 plate, put it right there. Yeah. Now you're done your key. You just need to put tile on it. I'm going to put a tile on it later. There you go. And now for the 1x5 key. There you go. Like that. Take a 1x1 plate and a 1x4 plate. Then take this 1x1 plate, put it there. And then take this 1x3 plate with this 1x1 plate under it. Don't put it in the middle. And put it there. There. No. Okay, you just need a 1x3 plate and a 1x1 plates under it. Sorry. And then put this back on here. And then take this 1x2 plate, put it on into this 1x1 plate there, and put it here. Then put this 1x1 plate, put it there. I'll put it here. Oops. Be careful. Just put it there and here, and this one right there. Then so now you want to put a smooth piece here so it could slide. And over here you need just bricks, okay? Put just brick there. Then now put smooth piece on it just for this piece. Just take a 1x4, put it there, 1x4 smooth piece, put it there, and then take a 1x2 smooth piece, put it there, and another 1x2 smooth piece, put it there. Then right here. And now for the 1x5, just take a 1x2 smooth piece, put it there, and a 1x3 smooth piece, put it there. And then a 1x2 smooth piece, put it here, there, and then put it right there. Now take this 2x2 plate, put it there, right here, and another 2x2 plate, put it there. Now just put plate here. So take a 1x1 plate, put it here, and then a 1x4 plates, put it there. Oops. There. So you have this sliding piece. So this sliding goes first down there, and this sliding goes this way. Okay. So you wanna get this key. Yeah, it is 3 stud long right there. 3 stud long. You put it in here, but you put it in later. Okay. Then so you take a 6x6 base plate and put a 1x2 plate there and another 1x2 plate there. Just use a 1x4 instead of that. And then on the top, take this 1x1 plate, put it there, and then tile here, and then tile here. There. Now put this on top. Make sure this 1x4 plates here needs to be on top of here. This couch piece. So put it on top. Just like this. There. So that is my part 1 of this 5th Lego puzzle box. I hope you guys enjoyed. And make sure you watch my part 2. Yeah, and bye-bye.